போறீங்களா? If the bus is asking for signal, you slow down and give them way. Yeah? The middle light flashes, slow down to 40, even though you are coming at 80. Yeah, let's go. We are turning right at the next traffic light. That's good. You checked it and then you are coming. Yeah. Some, if you come while checking, you come. They will not. Yeah. Until he finishes, yeah?
So,
right. Check right and left, my friend.
Oh my god, this
Please, if you're not doing it, my friend, yeah, left please.
I actually checking with my, just not turning.
No, it's not. It's a bit of a drama, just like this. You know what I mean? Yeah. If you just by checking your eyes, they won't accept. Maybe when you get the license, you can do, but not now, yeah.
That's right.
Straight. To the right signal. Then left signal. No. Go forward. Stop. And put your head down. You don't know who is coming there. Yeah. Come a little bit forward. Yeah. Don't go like that. Yes. Okay. He's telling you. Okay. Now go. But then don't just come and block the road. Come to this extent. Put your head down, and then go quick. Yeah. Not slowly coming and blocking the road. Yeah. Let's go. I will show you. Right, please. Wait. Now head like this. Who said to do like this? Anyone is coming? Okay. Okay, now ready? Go now. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright. Check. Okay, left please. So this is RTA. We finish one route. We're going here another one. Let's go. Alright. You remember anybody coming out, you got to give way, yeah? You should be the last car coming out.
Okay.
You have to give, because you're coming from the driveway.
Yeah.
Everybody's in the main road. Yeah, you should be the last. Left, please. Shoulder check, my friend. Please, yeah. My friend, please, yeah.
Yeah, of course I do.
Right. You do the right, please. Even if you don't check on the right, that's okay. But left must, yeah.